Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Komisi benta ban aiman siam yaki waipan, bat hakaju kapor, ban pensloro yaki tu kena ki bala pas baha haki examen ba per jong ka secondary school living certificate, bat ka higher secondary school living certificate, ka School Christian Academy higher secondary school, henne ka sngi ka khat artadek ujileu, kala pelong yaka jelang pen ko boram kerpang, yaki kena ki bala pas baha yaki examen haki stream ba per. Kane ka jing pukko boram kala long hapo susutham auditorium Shillong, hakaba Chief Information Commissioner, jong ka sarkar jilla uba PBO Warjri, retired IAS officer, ulalong kumukongsan. Lasdang yaka program da ka jingpule yaka ktien na ka kotba da i Ahizekil Linkhoi, balapan buat pat da ka jingduai aingo da i pastor Persara Nongkonri, lembat ki jingruai ro ya ublay na ka worship team. Na padang ki shispa arpuengot ki khana pule ki balapan ko boram hakni kasngi, laingot ki dai ki balayo yaka meritless, kata bakantop ya i ibarisha thank you, ibalayo khandai pusau 0.4%. Nangta i piban bianglang yat bon ibalayo khantai puar 0.100%, but i lenen keres marthong ibalayo distinction haki hindreutli ki subject. Nangta ki dan sapra puar ngot baro ki khna ki bapule hakani ka school ki balayo ya ki distinction haki subject ba per kantop haka science stream, commerce but ka art stream.
And there's a host of professions which beckon you today. The world has opened up so much that we can think about many other areas of specialization. And I'm sure that there are many other professions which I may not be able to even think about today, which would open up for you even now for the next few years. And each one of you who's graduating is going to step forward into adult society. And each one of you was expected to make a contribution to your immediate society, to the country, and to the world. And as many of you have spoken, I believe that you also need to make a contribution to your Creator through what you're going to do.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we desire. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, the vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
I don't gotta be afraid no more, 'cause I know you want to be strong. I'm more than just a talker. I'm waiting for you. I'm just a hard. When the devil tries to shake me, I just pray hard. Even my darkest hour, got Holy Ghost now. When I keep my eyes on you, Jesus, I will wait for you. Wait for you. My fears, oh
Is that the one with the